Right here, I have a flannel fleece hoodie that is so comfy. What's up, guys? My name is TJ, and today I'm gonna be reviewing this fleece flannel hoodie from Little Beauty. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size medium, and I think that this fits perfectly. Now, this fleece hoodie is amazing because it's gonna be made with a full polyester. It's gonna be resistant to the pilling, and it's gonna be machine washable, and that's gonna make it really durable as well. Now, the best part about this is it's gonna have a fleece lining on the inside. I want to show you guys up close what this looks like. It is so soft, and as I wipe my hand back and forth here, it just feels so comfy. And you're actually going to have that all the way through the sleeve, so this is going to be perfect going into the fall and the winter months, keeping you super warm, but at the same time, it's really lightweight, has a ton of mobility, and it's just comfortable. Really comfortable. Now, you can wear this open like I'm doing, or you can actually zip this all the way up. Feels really good, and it's just a nice snug fit on the medium. I think I could have went with a large as well. If I want a little bit more room, maybe I want to put a long sleeve shirt under it and just bundle up, I can definitely do that. Now, on the sleeves, I like it because the sleeves are going to be ribbed, so they're not going to fly over the wrists. You're also going to get a rib design down on the bottom that's a nice stretchy material, but it's going to have that plaid going all the way through the front. Now, you're also going to get a nice and comfy hood too. So we're going to have the lining in here, and trust me, when you put this thing on, it definitely warms up the ears very, very quickly, and the neck. So if you got a breezy night, throw that up and you're going to be very warm. This is something that I definitely would wear on the daily just because it's something easy to throw on. They have a ton of different colors. They got beige, they got this nice black, gray, white flannel color, and they also have greens, reds, bunch of different ones to choose from. So it's just easy to style it. It's a nice staple for the winter to have in your wardrobe. And this is something that I would just throw on running out of the house. Really nice, and want to be comfortable all day, but you also want to look good and stay warm. Also going to get some nice drawstrings on here as well. They have a really nice, cool looking black tip on here. Really nice quality, so you can tie that real tight if you want to have that around your head as well. But this thing is really nice. It looks cool as well. I'm definitely going to be wearing this to some bonfires, hanging out on the daily. This is some nice streetwear. Take this on a date night or just lounge around the house with it and stay super comfy, guys. Check out the other colors they have to offer. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.